Hello everyone. So as the title of the video says, this is February's and March's like 2020 Happy Mail haul. The cards you guys sent to me that showed up in my PO box. All of February, all of March, and one that actually was here in January that I had set aside, and yeah, life. So after being sick so bad beginning of March, that's how I lost February, and then life. So let's just dive right into it. This one was, I think I got this back in January because in December I was a guest designer for the Collective Creators, and I'll link to their site. I did an exclusive video for them and we did a live stream and that sort of thing. So they made this really cute card for me, which is just absolutely adorable. And then they even had a pin that says the Collective Creators, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm going to add that to my little pin collection. So yeah, love like sparkle and their little, they even added glossy accents to their little face bands. Like, love it. Love it. I think it's adorable. So I got that one. And then I've got this one from Hope. Another fabulous cross-stitch card. Is that not the most adorable thing ever? Again, those that are not familiar with Hope's cards, I've shown a bunch of them over the last, what has been 2 or 3 years of doing the Happy Mail haul. She does cross-stitching on fabric, does the cross-stitching, and then she backs it with paper and turns it into cards. And like, I have so many cards from her. They're just fabulous. Like, the cross-stitching is just phenomenal. I really like how like the outlines are only partial. It's not the whole thing. It just works. That would work really well with stamps too. It's really cute. Isn't that cute? So that one is from Hope. And then this one, I had to open over a coffee filter. I could hear it in the envelope. It was a shaker card. This is from Charlotte in Texas. And sadly, it got mushed, I think just enough to press out. Like, the card itself is in good shape, but it must have been just enough to let the beads out, because there's a bunch of blue micro beads in here. So it doesn't shake anymore, but imagine it was, you know. So yeah, if for whatever reason you think a card might have like exploded in the mail and there's little bits like this, just open it over a coffee filter. That way you're not going to get, you know, everything everywhere. So still an adorable card. So thank you, Charlotte. I think it's just adorable. I like using this kind of color. I would never have thought to do that. This color of glitter paper, like almost coppery, as sand. Smart. Really smart. So we got that one. And then we've got this one from Louise. This wasn't part of the Happy Mail haul. She was one of my giveaway winners, so she just sent this card, but I like to show all the cards I get regardless. She did mention that this was part of a previous Hero Words kit. But what I really love is like the die she used, the Tonic. It's one of their textured like specialty cotton papers for the mountains. I really like that. I never would have thought to do that. And it just works. It's so perfect. And I don't know if my camera probably won't pick up. There's also like shimmer and stuff added too. So just a really fun card. So thank you for that, Louise. And then we've got this one from B in Maryland. All reflective and fabulous. A Slimline card, which is always super fun. And then stamped on the inside with, I'm pretty sure that's Delicata Golden Glitz. That's what it looks like to me. So yeah, love the mirror cardstock for the sentiment. It's just shimmery. And pretty sure those are the Studio Claudia golden crystals that I love so much that have the gold glitter in them. It's funny how certain products I know exactly, you know, it's like, I know what this is. So yeah, I should have got this filmed back in the beginning of March because obviously before St. Patrick's Day, but life. So this one came from Cindy. Again, Doodlebug. Doodlebug fabulousness. She actually uses hers, unlike me. I hoard all mine. But that's so cute, like the ephemera, like the die cuts and stuff that I show in the videos, like how cute they can make little cards. Like, I love it. That's so adorable. So yeah, and the foil accents and stuff, it's so cute. Just love it. And then cute little like matching envelope. Fun. Just got that one. And then this one is from Wendy J, and another just like gorgeous envelope. Some of you guys are just, your handwriting is so much nicer than mine. So yeah, another happy St. Patty's Day. I love how you spelled it out with little chipboard letters. It's always such a nice way, especially some like more random holidays, not as popular obviously as like Christmas, Easter, etc. To just spell them out. You know, use die cuts or, you know, alphabet stamps, that sort of thing. And there's a bunch of texture going on too. So really fun. And then this one from Sabine in Edmonton, another large format card. And again, it's not, I don't know if I'll be able to show it on camera. I wonder if I can, I don't know if I can like really show the sparkle. But yeah, it shows up better in when I have the lights, my overhead lights on, and it's evening. During daylight, it's hard to show that sparkle, but there's like a bunch of sparkle all over this, and it's really pretty. So yeah, really, really pretty. So I've got that one. And then I've got these three from Gloria. Yeah, cute little animals, fun little embellishments, and then some ribbon and cute little like candied apple, very sort of fall themed. And then I would assume this one's more kind of almost like Halloween, those little Doodlebug eyes that I love so much, little sprinkles that you can just adhere. Really cute. Got that one. And then I've got another one from Cindy, because this was for the next month's. So this one, I love how the envelope, my name was like all shimmery. And then this background is something else. It's like all foiled. Love. So yeah, really, really fun. Really cute. And they're on my little merry-go-round. So yeah, love it. Love it. Or Ferris wheel. Brain stopped for a second. Okay, so then this one is also from Charlotte in Texas. And she said in there, draw your design, use tracing paper to mirror it. The painting is done with gouache. And then the silver accents with a monochrome pen. So that's really cool. Like really cool. I like the idea of painting with gouache and then using, yeah, like a metallic pen on top of it. You know, that's really neat. It's really neat. That one, and then we've got this one from Roberta in California. All like metallic and layers and texture. There's shimmer, pearls. Yeah, love it. Love it. Gotta love the bling, gotta love the shimmer. I'm always like, apologies, trying to catch the light and see all the like the shimmer and shine. Love. Got that one. And then this one from Edna in Florida. This one as well had like a really pretty little envelope. I like just framing the address. And then yeah, there's little shaker elements behind here. It's a fabric with the leaf printed on it, so that's a really cute little idea. So yeah, little sequins and stuff. Very masculine themed shaker card, which is a lot of fun. You know, it just works. Love it. Got that one. And then this one is from Ija in Finland. So I don't think I've ever done, oh, that goes with that one. I forget the name of this type of card. Someone can tell us, post it in the comments. I always forget. But yeah. So yeah, it's just basically a standard, but instead of folding it in the middle like a standard card, you fold it slightly, do two folds, and you can use a trimmer. There are wafer dies too that do things like this, so you can have different shapes. I know MFT has a few. But yeah. So you could do it like that, and then you could have this part blank to write to your recipient. So just a fun little card. That one, and this one cracked me up. So this one is from Susie in California, and she always includes little funny sayings on the back of her envelopes. One, envelope is gorgeous. My absolute favorite stamp set, Simon's Beautiful Flowers stamp set. Always. Love. I like the Sesame Street stamps. We don't get very many cute stamps in Canada. Like, we get a few, but not very many. Anyway, she includes funny little sayings glued to the back of her envelopes, and this one just made me laugh because this was sent right before all of the craziness hit. Why does toilet paper have a commercial? Who is not buying toilet paper? Yeah. So yeah, and the wax seal, love it. So yeah, it survived perfectly. People have asked about that because I love wax seals. I think they're fabulous, and people have asked. I've had some people do wax seals on their envelopes, but then they've included them in a bubble envelope, or they're mailing multiples, etc. But yeah, this one was just as is, and it survived perfectly fine. Sometimes, depending on how thick the card is, plus the wax seal, because the wax obviously adds bulk. Sometimes you obviously will need to add extra postage. So it just depends on what's going on. But yeah, I thought I would show that. And then the card, again, I don't know if I can, like, yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the shimmer. Really, really pretty. Love, 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 love. Oh, and on the inside too. Like that, I like stamping that. Because usually, like, I'll stamp here, you know, and I've told people I'll write over it, but that's also an idea too. Rather than stamping on where you're going to write, you could stamp on just the inside, the opposite side where you normally don't write anything. So that's an idea too. So yeah. I don't think I've done a Slimline card with this stamp set, but I don't think I've ever done a 5x7, and now I kind of want to. Love it. Okay, so I got that one. And then this showed up from Audrey in the Netherlands. A gorgeous rainbow themed card. I love rainbow anything. I love the silver, the little drops. I think it's so cute. She also sent a chocolate bar, which this is dark chocolate with sesame seeds. That's interesting. Gifts, chocolate, etc. They're never necessary. You know, I always appreciate them. It's very thoughtful, but people don't feel like they have to. Just so I, you know, make myself clear on that. But yeah, interesting. I'm excited to try that. So thank you. Alrighty. So then last, but certainly not least, this one showed up in this great big, gorgeous envelope. Even my, like, post office worker was like, wow, that is fabulous. I hope you keep that. So yeah, it's beautiful. So this is Lena and Peugeot from Finland. They always do the Happy Meal hauls, and they each do like their own spin on it, which is really fun. So this one's Lena's. It's a cute little coordinating envelope. Cute. So cute. Love it. So that's Lena's, and then Peugeot's with the matching envelope. Oh, fun. Almost the exact same shaker beads too. That's hilarious. That's hilarious that two of the cards use like a dark blue micro bead. So yeah, cute little way to do a shaker. That's so fun. That's so fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much. These cards are amazing. These all brighten my day. I do get asked, what do I do with the cards? I have a little display behind the door in my office that has just little strings on it, and I hang the cards on there. And I just kind of rotate them out because I just have a big box of them, like a massive box. And then the ones that have no writing or anything in them, I do pile them up, and then I can donate them, give them to friends and family to use, etc., etc., because obviously I have tons of cards. But that's basically what I do. I've never done the offer of, like, if you send a self-addressed stamped envelope, only because with me being in Canada, it's not like I can't just quickly stick the card back in the envelope and just mail it. Like, if the postage isn't Canadian, it just starts getting like so difficult. So I don't make that offer. And yeah, people can choose. Like, a lot of times people will write their, like, if they want to write letters and things like that, they include them on a separate piece of paper, which is nice. Like I keep all of that. I read everyone's letters. I love it. So that's that. And then the actual info on the Happy Mail haul, if you're new to any of this, I post a link to my blog post, and in the blog post is just everything I think that you would need to know if you guys want to participate. And if not, you just want to sit and enjoy, that's totally fine. It's nice just to see what other people in the community are creating and just all the different ideas. So many times I see things that I wouldn't think of myself, and it just, you know, gets the wheels turning. So if you guys have questions about anything or just want to, you know, leave nice comments for people, please do so that they can see them, that they can respond to them, etc. It's always so nice to hear, you know, nice things. I love it. I read all the comments I get. Like, I try to respond to as many, or in my case, I try to heart all the comments on YouTube so people can see that at the very least I do read them. So yeah, you guys can do that. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully I can be more consistent and do this every month instead of, you know, waiting and doing 2 months at a time, because then yeah, some of the more themed cards will actually get shown. So, also, huge thank you to my patrons. You guys are amazing. They are really enabling me to do what I do. That's another place. What I do with a lot of the cards I make is I send them to my patrons. So, as always, huge thank you to you guys. Huge thank you to all of you who watch and thumbs up and comment, subscribe, leave comments, all of it. I really, really appreciate you guys. So I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye.